This is DOOGEE V Max, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up parental controls for this device. The first order of business is to launch settings, then find and enter the accounts category or passwords and accounts. Check if you have any Google accounts added to your system. If you have any, get rid of them by removing those accounts like that. Once there is no Google accounts left, get back to the main settings page. Go for the Google category this time, then parental controls, get started, child or teen, next. Now you gotta sign into your child's Google account, so let me quickly do that. Then, once the Google account was successfully logged into, select it from the list over here, and enter credentials to another Google account, this time belonging to you as a parent, or to put it in simpler words, sign into Google account you will use to supervise your child's activity, or to supervise your child in general. Then you will be forwarded to the About Supervision page. In here at the very bottom, you will need to input the child's Google account password one more time, then tap at the agree button. After that, you will have the following dialog window. So go for the allow option and wait for the parent and child accounts to get linked. Then hit the next button. The managing apps step we can deliberately skip. No need to be stuck on it. The same applies for filters and settings. And from here, if the device that is highlighted over here in the bold font is the phone or tablet that you will use to supervise your child, you can tap at the blue Install Family Link button and get the required app automatically downloaded and installed on your phone, or you can just manually do that. So at this point, the children or child side of things is completed, or has been completed rather. Now take your parental device or the phone that you'll use to supervise your child's activity and download the following app. That is Google Family Link. Once the app is ready, you can obviously go ahead and launch it. In here, make sure to sign into the app with the parental Google account, and inside the app you can do all sorts of things. For example, you can monitor your child's location, see the child's device usage highlights. Now let's give this app a minute or two to download or, well, display all the controls. So the controls that you have an access to are setting up the data limits, downtime routine, managing apps, applying content restrictions and age filters, configure account settings, and manage devices. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.